Welcome. Today, we're exploring why you should consider taking turmeric every day. This golden spice has been celebrated for centuries for its health benefits. Let's dive into the amazing reasons why incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can boost your well-being. Number 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Number 2. Supports immune health. Turmeric boosts the immune system by enhancing the body's natural defense mechanisms. It helps in fighting off infections and supporting overall immune function. Number 3. Promotes healthy digestion. Turmeric aids in digestion by stimulating bile production and reducing symptoms of bloating and gas. It's a great addition to your diet for maintaining digestive health. Number 4. Enhances cognitive function. The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to support brain health by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Number 5. Supports joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, making it a great supplement for those dealing with joint issues or looking to maintain joint health. Number 6. Aids in detoxification. Turmeric helps support liver function and enhances the body's ability to detoxify by promoting the elimination of toxins. It's a natural way to support your body's detox processes. And finally, number 7. Promotes healthy skin. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce acne, improve skin texture, and give your complexion a natural glow. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can offer a range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to boosting your immune system. Whether you add it to your meals, drinks, or take it as a supplement, turmeric is a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.